Space is the new frontier of defense. For the first time ever, India has launched a dedicated military space exercise, Antariksha Abhyas. This groundbreaking event, held on November 11 to 13, 2024, was organized by the Defense Space Agency to address emerging threats in the space domain. The objective is to protect India's space-based assets, explore operational dependencies, and identify vulnerabilities in military operations. Key participants included the Army, Navy, and Air Force, alongside specialists from the Defense Cyber Agency and Defense Intelligence Agency. Collaborators like ISRO and DRDO brought cutting-edge expertise to the table. In today's congested and contested space, safeguarding space services is vital. This exercise reinforced India's commitment to integrating space capabilities with military strategies. Antariksha Abhyas reflects India's readiness to secure its position in the space domain and its vision for a robust national security strategy. For aspirants, remember, space is not just the future of technology, but a crucial element of national defense.